In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a folder in Gmail. First, let's start by opening Gmail. You can do this by launching your preferred web browser and typing in the address for Gmail. Once the page loads, you will see your inbox filled with emails. This is the central hub where all your messages are stored. Opening Gmail is crucial because it gives you access to all your emails, allowing you to organize them effectively. By the end of this process, you will have a new folder to help keep your emails tidy. Next, look at the left sidebar of your Gmail interface. You may notice a list of categories and labels. Scroll down through this list until you see the option labeled More. Clicking on More will expand additional options. This is an essential step because it reveals features that are not immediately visible. You want to ensure you have access to all the tools Gmail offers for organizing your emails. Once you click More, you will see extra choices unfold, preparing you for the next action. From there, you will see an option labeled Create New Label. Go ahead and click on this option. This action opens a new window where you can start setting up your folder. Creating a new label is vital as it allows you to categorize your emails better. By organizing them into specific folders or labels, you can easily locate important messages later. You will notice a clear interface where you can enter the details needed for your new folder. At this point, you need to enter the folder name. Think about what makes sense for your needs. For example, you might choose names like Work, Invoices, or Personal. The name you select should reflect the type of emails you plan to store in this folder. This step is crucial because a descriptive name helps you quickly identify the folder's purpose. Once you have typed in your desired name, take a moment to double-check it for any typos. A clear and correct name will make your organization efforts more effective. Now, after entering the folder name, look for the Create button and click it. This finalizes the creation of your new folder. Clicking Create is an important action because it confirms all your previous steps, ensuring that your folder is officially added to your Gmail account. Once you click this button, you will see your new label appear in the left sidebar. This visual confirmation reassures you that your efforts have been successful. With that ready, you can now start moving emails into your new folder. Simply select an email and drag it to the label you just created. Alternatively, you can use the Move To option and select your new label from the list. Organizing your emails in this manner will save you time in the future when searching for important messages. In summary, you've successfully learned how to add a folder in Gmail. This process not only helps in organizing your emails but also enhances your productivity. By taking these simple steps, you can keep your inbox clutter-free and easily manage your communications. Remember, organization leads to efficiency. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.